After more than 7 years to make it to trial, a Lexington County jury convicted Midlands restaurant operator Greg Leone of murder in the Valentine's Day shooting death of his wife's lover. Prosecutors say Leone shot and killed Arturo Bravo Santos in a fit of jealous rage February 14th of 2016 after discovering Bravo and his wife in the back seat of a truck. Nick Neville has been covering the trial and has more from inside the courtroom.
As the verdict was read, Greg Leone stared straight ahead and started rocking back and forth. Tears could be heard from the gallery from dozens of friends and family who were there throughout the nearly 3-week-long trial to support Leone, once a powerful Midlands restaurant owner and now a convicted killer. Judge Walton McLeod sentenced Leone to 30 years behind bars at the Department of Corrections. This after several people addressed the court in support of him, including his sister, 2 of his sons, and his longtime friend and attorney Eric Bland. They said he's hardworking and has followed the judge's order with his ankle monitor. His son Alex called him, quote, the best dad you could ever ask for. In a fiery closing argument, solicitor Rick Hubbard argued that Leone fired the fatal shots into the Toyota Tundra that night with malice in his heart. Leone knew his wife was having an affair with Bravo, he argued, and he took steps to catch the pair in the act. This was about his honor, his manhood, and his pride, the solicitor said. Leone put a tracking device on his wife's car and searched for dating profiles that may have belonged to his wife, with Hubbard calling this a, quote, recipe for malice. Veteran defense attorney Jack Swirling, in his closing argument, said that Leone had mere seconds to make a life-altering decision about whether he was in imminent danger that night at the Lexington County Park and Drive. The defense had asserted that Leone feared for his life after he heard his wife scream and saw Bravo reaching for something in the truck. And the state, Swirling argued, had not met its burden to disprove that Leone was acting in self-defense. Just before sentencing, solicitor Rick Hubbard said that Leone has had more freedom in the last 7 years than many people would have facing similar charges. He asked the judge to consider Bravo's family too. He said that Leone had many options that night, but he chose to put himself first, and for that, he must pay, the solicitor said. Reporting in Lexington, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.
And in announcing the sentencing, Judge McLeod said this is a tragic day for all families involved, for Bravo's family, the one killed, and for Greg Leone's. He addressed them saying he's sorry that they had to be here in this situation.